accounts free for 60 days with Halifax. Get it.
The Bitcoin price is right now falling, and look at this. I told you earlier today that a big move is coming, and I told you guys that this is an opportunity for us to make a lot of money in the short term by trading this over on Bybit. Well, look at this. The bearish scenario played out, and you can see that we're getting very close to my target all the way down here. Congratulations to everyone out there who took this trade based on my analysis over on Bybit. If you are making significant gains right now, feel free to leave a thumbs up down below and also leave a comment down below. How much money did you make by shorting this Bitcoin breakout? And check this out, guys. Let me show you something insane. I am very close to 200,000 subscribers, and I think we can reach 200,000 to we want to see in a horizontal triangle, and eventually when we do break out, we do want to see big volume coming in to confirm the breakout. Now this could still break to the downside, and if we do break to the downside, the target should be something like this, and this could make us some money in a short position instead, and we would have this stop loss up here. In comment down below, tell me how much money did you make from shorting the Bitcoin price in the past few hours. Let me know right now down below. And if you want to join our party over on Bybit, make sure to claim this $200 bonus. Bearish thing, and ever since then we have rolled over, and we're now seeing a more bearish price action. Let's bring out the 1 hour ribbon real quick. What we can see here is that we are now confirming a 1 hour downtrend. Look at this, we broke the ribbon. Usually we get these bounces here as we saw in the past few days here, but now we have confirmed the breakdown here. We broke down, got a 1 hour close, we even retested the ribbon and failed and rolled over even more to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We are still in an uptrend on the 4 hour. So let's just take a look at the last point where we saw this similar scenario play out right here. We were going bullish, and then we came back down and we retested the ribbon, but we actually got a bounce here, as you can see, and then we continued to the upside. Something like this could happen again. We are rolling over right now, we're going down, we might potentially come down and retest the bottom of the ribbon, and then we could potentially get a bounce back up again. The bottom of the ribbon is approximately $35,900, and if we were to come down to that point, then this would be a correction in total of approximately 15%. This correction we saw here was well, to these levels here was 12%, but to the lowest point of this wick was even 20%. If we were to see a big wick to the downside again to 20%, this could potentially get Bitcoin all the way down to 33.4 thousand. That's not a target. This is not what I'm saying. I'm not saying that this is a target. I'm just saying that based on previous volatility, we could easily see something like this and actually still remain bullish, just to kind of be clear about what's happening here. If we go out to be in a bull trend here on the weekly, but yeah, I mean, we can talk more about this in another video. Right now I want to focus more on the immediate short
almost like there's no third party, because there's no third party which has an incentive to make money out of you. Like every other platform is incentivized to force content down your neck and stop you from going to other platforms. So decentralized application platforms like ETH, they have a really interesting incentive model, which could actually change, like, which I think is a bad problem in the world, is the media side of the world. I feel like the media, there was a great who was it by? I think I screenshotted it, but basically I think it was Lex. It was that Lex guy, Lex Wesner or something. What's his name again? Yeah, Lex Fridman. This guy's sick. He wrote something about this, saying social media and the press are currently incentivized to drastically exacerbate narratives of division. This in turn creates more division, and the downward spiral continues. I hope to build tech. Yeah. So this I've actually thought about this for a long time. This was really, this kind of resonated with me, because I actually had a problem. Like I think we've all on some level been affected by the media. I've actually personally been affected by the media in a company I used to work for, and it was like when you actually are like personally affected by it, you see how skewed like the narrative of what they can create. The newspapers literally they have to create some type of emotion in you to make money, because that's their whole business. They have to like make you scared or make you angry or make you laugh. So there's like so much media. Like I'm talking about tabloids. I'm not talking about like if you pay a subscription, it's like honest stuff. But the majority of media is like it's there to invoke an emotion in you through like trying to make money. So I think like Ethereum, if there can be some type of like new product which can come out which has a more peer-to-peer level with more honest news, which I've personally been affected in my life with, and I know a whole company which went down because of it, because of a bad press, and like all the people who've been affected, like say whether it's like I remember Russell Brand talking about it years ago, and even Brock Pierce had all that stuff coming out. It's just like, why is this happening? Like, why are these news? I smash the like button if you agree with me if I'm rambling, but like I feel like there has to be a change in the mainstream media, because like it's so like divisive. It creates so much anger. It creates division between people. You listening? you listening to it? You say what I'm saying? Yeah. What are you listening to? You doing English? I'm just rambling on, yeah. But yeah, no, I feel like that's like a big deal for me, because there's so many. I think that whole space needs to change, because the media is and also in trading as well. It's like there's so much fucking collusion going on in trading with people putting out bad articles to do stuff. I just really want to see that change, and I've been personally affected by it in my life, and I think everyone's been affected by the media in some level, whether it's about and whenever you know the real story, and then a news like a mainstream news company report on it, it's always wrong. Like it's always wrong. Like nah, it has to change, man. It has to change. And one day, you know, yeah, fuck it, we'll see what happens. But I think ETH has potential to do that, because it can create an incentive models which are different, more peer-to-peer, decentralized. If you have a news, like it's almost like, I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, I'm rambling on. I'm gonna probably let's have a look at Bitcoins. What time is it here? It's only 12:30. We're all good. The daily close is at like 3 a.m. here, so let's have a look on the 15-minute where we're at. It just looks great. Now we're straight back up, way above this level. It was a good buy along here. You guys on this live stream, literally I said that was the level to buy. This level here to get a bounce. Oops. We did get that bounce. If we took the trade, congratulations. Let's see if anyone's got any more questions. Oh, guys, also, yo, wait 5K. Send it, sir, you legend. Yo, yeah, what's up, brother? Will Small, he's my boy. Actual real life boy. Loads of people joining this as well. Who's this guy? I know that. He played UFC, didn't he? He did a UFC match. He's a legend. Like big American brother. Yeah, so guys, come join AMX Trading. Massive trading group. Legends. I think we've got a fair amount of new people on this. Yeah, 3,000 people in it though, guys. Just mad respect to anyone who joined the stream. You're all legends. Really enjoyed that. Let's do a question in the chat though. Let's do a little question to kick this off. $1. Cheers, Seek. Okay. Let's do a little question. Put your price in. What price will Bitcoin top out at? What price will Bitcoin top out in this long-term macro bull market? Will it be $100,000? Will it be $200,000? Will it be $500,000? Put your price in the comments now, and we will see. Someone right here. I really want him to do a chart of ETC. Ethereum Classic. I don't know, dude. Maybe. Yo, how can I convert my old EOS? Oh god, dude, that was years ago. Dude, honestly, Seeky, man. I don't know if you're gonna be able to fix that. But put your price in. What price will Bitcoin top out at in this next macro long-term bull market? What price? 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 200,000? Smash your comment in the thing now. Gang weed. These are Pafifa. Pafifa is my guy, man. Pafifa is Strasvojče, my drug. 46k, 50k, 60k, 200k. Wow, 6k tops, 230k. That's a good one. I think Bitcoin's going to do for around 250 to 350. I think around there. 100k, 42k is the top macro top. 318k. I like that. That was I think Thingamajig did. They did that thing. Citigroup said 320. 500k, 100k, 47k. Lots of like there's some low estimates, man. 40k. We've already done 42k. Mr. Trilly, we've done 42,000. How can we do less? Fucking hell. 3 hours, man. Crazy shit. Kicking off 120k. When should you buy a hardware wallet, and what's the best one? I like the Ledger. Just type in Ledger MDX. I think Ledger. I think that the video was a long time ago. It was a bad video. Yeah, I did a video on it. It's me in my old setup back in the UK. Let's see if it loads. Yeah, check me out, man. Old greeners. MDX back in the day. Yeah, so just type in type in Ledger Nano X review tutorial. I like the Nano. It's a good hardware wallet. I think the only way you would really need to buy it, right, is if you have a significant amount of cryptocurrency that you really, you can't afford to lose. Like at the end of the day, your security is as value as the amount you have. But 499, is that the question? Yeah, I think buy a Ledger if you have a really, really large, significant amount, which you don't really want to, you can't afford to lose. A Ledger is going to make it as secure as you can. But then you got to remember as well, having your Bitcoin on a Ledger means that you are the owners of the keys, so you are the king of the castle in a way. And like it's like this: if a lot of gold people have like gold in their home, they own like gold, like physical gold in their house, and there's a risk associated with that. I know it's safe to have your own gold, right? But there's a risk associated with that. This is looking good right now, guys. Let's look on the alley, and so it's the same with the Ledger. There's a risk associated with having it. But guys, massive buying opportunity. We're now above this level here. We've done this whole stream, we've been going for it. We're above this level here. We're now doing a bullish deviation over the bottom side of the channel. Or the mid price is the next target. If we get above the mid price, it's another feather in the cap of Bitcoin. Then we want to look at the last high price, which we're going to be aiming at. If we can get above there, that's another bullish deviation. And then obviously, guys, the high price, if we come all the way up and then we get above that, it's going to be bullish as fuck. But I think what we'll probably see is probably something similar to this. An up, a sideways part, a little bit more of a, you could say, a decision made. It's still indecision right now. If I was going to be a robot, I'd say this is agnostic in the middle. It's not bearish or bullish. Personally, my bias is that it goes higher because we came into this bullish. But then I would say that I'd say we'll probably do something like this. We probably range out for a little bit and then we come to decision. Maybe create some sort of pennant, maybe a triangle formation. At the end of the day, a symmetrical triangle is just a way of just explaining, okay, this is indecision, because it's just like buyers squeezing, sellers squeezing. And then I think we'll probably get some sort of consolidation for a while, and then we will make a decision, and I think probably higher, but it could obviously go lower, but we'll probably get some sort of pennant formation coming out of this. Or it depends as well. If it comes out to be descending, right, if we make a descending pattern, then it's bearish. If we make an ascending pattern, then it's bullish. So we'd have to wait now. It's going to go probably flat and sideways for a bit, and if it doesn't, if it goes all the way to the top and then keeps coming up, and then it will probably do. It just for me looks like it needs a bit more time, but it doesn't have to have a bit more time. If you're long from down here, great. If you took if you took that position that long, then congratulations. I didn't, obviously, because I've been talking to you guys. let's have a look at this as well. So the Stoke's now a buy signal. This is only on the hourly as well, guys. 4 hours probably still in the middle. Yeah, we're just about to get a buy signal on the 4 hour. Oh, my back. Sitting in the same position for 3 hours. So yeah, we're just about to get, that actually went really low as well, super low. So now we're looking for the Stoke for this to, like, you know, come back up, actually get a buy signal, get back into the middle zone, which is usually the zone where it scoots really far other way. So usually it hangs out in the bullish zone, or it hangs out in the bearish zone, and then suddenly it goes from bearish to bullish real quick. And then this also shows you deviations as well. Not deviations, divergences as well. So looks pretty darn good, people. Looks pretty darn good. Let's look on the hourly again. Yeah, I like it. Very similar again to this as well. You can see it's very similar. But remember, I don't like trading fractals. Don't get too like, you know, bought up, or don't get too sold on fractals, because usually when everybody spots a fractal, they usually play out the other way. But again, saying that, sentiment stuff's all out the fucking window. But we are, it's all just Bitcoin, man. I could sit here and talk Bitcoin for hours. I just can't believe we had like 4,000 people in the stream. It's absolutely amazing. Like, I don't think I've ever, like, definitely never had a stream with 4,000 people in it. It just goes to show that the market there's so many people coming in. Just massive respect. XRP. Everyone just shouting XRP. Dude, if you don't know what I think about XRP, I think it's an absolute shitcoin, bro. Let's see if it's pumped again. So XRP, no, dude, just get rid of it. It's a security. It's getting delisted off Coinbase. It's getting delisted off loads. I think even getting delisted off what's the other one? Oh, was it GDAX? No, GDAX is the Coinbase Pro. There was another one called like BIC. I can't remember how many it's been delisted off, but it's probably getting. It's getting. Let's have a look what CoinMarketCap says. See how up to date they are with telling us where it's getting. Why am I putting that in? Just click on this and click on that. Okay, so will it tell us the exchange that's getting delisted off? Market. Okay, well, Coinbase Pro's on there still. Well, it's getting delisted off loads of exchanges. XRP is not a good investment, in my opinion, because it's not good as money, because you can't rely on it as store of value, because you can't have certainty of its supply, because half it's owned by one person. So it's basically like the government. They can just do what they want, print more, print less, whatever. Also, it's used to move fiat currency from one account to another. I don't like the structure. I don't like the way that XRP, I just don't, there's not even miners. I don't like it. It's just not a good project. There's no point buying it. Look, if you think that XRP is good because it's cheap and it's going to be better money than Bitcoin, you just need to rethink your whole entire world, because Bitcoin might be $40,000, but I would, a bit less, I would rather buy Bitcoin at $38,000 than XRP at the bottom. I'd rather buy Bitcoin at the top than XRP at the bottom. If XRP went to like nothing, I'd rather buy Bitcoin, because XRP is just shit. It's just not as good as money as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the money of the internet. So yeah, man, just don't even look at XRP. I don't like it. I've said it for years. I've said it for literally years. And I had so many friends who invested massively in XRP. I had a friend who was like, XRP is going to $1,000 max. I'm like, dude, just if XRP goes to $1,000, it means the market cap is more than the US debt. Like, what are you fucking saying? Like, what, like, have you thought about that? Or like, no. I did no. Dude, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. Let's have a look where we are. Still 2,000 people in there. I'm probably gonna rattle. We'll do a few more things. I'll do a few more stuff. Guys, come and join MDX Trading. Absolutely the best trading group on Telegram, if not crypto in general. Love you, MDX. Thanks for helping us out. Sorry you didn't add. I know. Well, it doesn't matter, dude. Like, there's always another trade. For me, always another trade. There's always another trade. There's always another trade. So I don't mind missing a trade. Talk to 5,000 people about it. Like, it's pretty cool. There's always another trade. And to be honest, like, most of my gains, most of my biggest wins have just been long-term accumulations. Like, trading leverage is good, but trading leverage is hard, and also you can make a lot of money in trading leverage. But the actual thing about trading is this: it's not actually the learning of the technicals. It's not the learning how to do it. it's more about managing your time. It really is. Like, you can use bots and stuff like that, but then, you know, and it's also like how you want to sleep at night. I think the real thing about it is managing your time and managing obviously your emotions, and like that's the main thing, because like there's like so many scenarios you can put yourself into where like, oh, I don't want to miss the trade, I'm going to sit up all night and try and grab this trade, and then it never comes and you're knackered the next day, and that's the main thing, like just being able to come to the charts every day, place your trades, close them and leave the charts. That's what you need to be able to do, and then don't get all worried about, oh, it's moved here, because the more you look at it, like at the end of the day, even if Bitcoin did do the 35% dump, you always get retests. Like markets are like generally very generous. They give you multiple times to trade certain prices. Obviously, right now there's not much generosity in Bitcoin, and in history markets are generous. So we are going to get that 35% correction at some point, not that far. We are going to get a big dump at some point. You are going to get another chance to sell it, to buy a price you missed. Just manage your time. That's the main thing, managing your time, really. Because it's not, I think trading's not difficult. It's just like not, it's like, there's a saying, I can't remember it. It's not difficult, trading. It's just not, it's just like really difficult to manage the time and stuff. That's what I find anyway. Yo, what was I about to do? Yeah, so guys, join MDX Trading, best trading group in crypto. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Like MDX Crypto. We hit 20,000 subscribers. It's amazing. Absolutely incredible. 20,000 subscribers, guys. I'm absolutely ecstatic about that. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate that. 20K is a big milestone for me. Yeah, that's awesome. Just massive, and also just to say, like, just massive thanks for the support. Like, it's just great to see, like, the channel kicking off and like being able to talk to all you guys and you know, just doing live streams. I think live streaming is my thing, really. Quite enjoy doing live streams. But yeah, no, it's good, really good. Really appreciate that. 20,000 subscribers, man, absolutely amazing. Cheers. I'm really happy about that. And then what else I was going to say? So yeah, also if you're interested in all things crypto, if you're thinking, you know, what I want to use as my favorite exchange, basically come on this website, mdxcrypto.com, mdxcrypto.com. And then you can do best crypto currency. It's basically all the products I use, I trust. Everything on this website is everything I use and trust and would recommend to friends and family, which I do. Come on the website. And yeah, I use, just come check out all these things. There's loads of stuff coming in. So many, yes, please do live streams. Loved it. Yeah, sick. Sid, what's up, brother? Can you tell us when alt season starts and what needs to happen for it? So, good question. Alt season is usually a divergence between Bitcoin's market dominance and altcoins, how much dominance Bitcoin has. Let me just find that for you. So you go on Bitcoin, you can go on market dominance. I can't remember where it is right now. Where the fuck is it? There's another chart as well. Wait, where is it again? Let me type it in. It's all changed. Bitcoin market dominance. Is this it here? Currency. No, bro. One sec. Give me a second. Bitcoin market dom. Oh my god, if I can spell for 5 seconds of my life. Here we go. Oh, they got on TradingView as well. Trade now. Okay, so let me see the full chart, please. We'll do it on TradingView. It'll probably have a crap chart. So this is the market dominance. This is all looks weird. Look at this. Let me get rid of that. Let me make it a bit smaller for you lads. Okay, so right now it looks pretty darn good. We're actually rallying. So market dominance, when Bitcoin's usually going up in market dominance, right, you don't, alts are obviously, because like, if more money's flowing to Bitcoin, it means that, where's that money coming from? Okay, USDC, great. But a lot of it will probably be coming from altcoins as well. So what you usually see is when Bitcoin really begins to lose dominance in the market and it comes down, what you're usually seeing is obviously just more Bitcoin flowing out of Bitcoin into other altcoins, because you can go into USDT, which is an altcoin, right? And then into alt. So this is actually quite a good indication, actually. Like we've got 2 wicks here. This could mean that we have like some medium term down on the dominance. And you want to see Bitcoin's dominance falling for altcoins to really start to rally. But then again, dude, this market's been slightly different. In 2017, let me get rid of that. In 2017, it was Bitcoin which went first. So it basically, Bitcoin went to the moon, and then altcoins went to the moon later on in the move. What's it? But we're seeing a bit of an alt season anyway. Alts are so oversold. Like, oh wow, CRO really went for it. Look at that. CRO really went for it. We just actually took the bottom side down as well. That's crazy. So now, right, this is interesting as well. So this level is important. That's the previous high. You get it nice on you. So we had a bullish deviation. I'm sorry for just cutting into CRO, but basically, yeah. Alts have been alright, but let me just talk to you about this. Bullish deviation we got on that high price. We tested it many times. When we broke it, snapped up to the next level. This level needs to hold on CRO. But overall, if it does hold there, it's a higher low. Long term, it's good. Just want to mention that. But yeah, I think Dot had a massive pump as well. This is my chart for Dot. I think Dot's going to do something like this. I hate the Dot chart though, with all this crap all over it. I think this is probably what Dot might do, and that's coinciding with the previous high, and then the two moving averages on the daily. I think it is. So let me look at the daily. Wait, what was it again? Was it the 4 hour? Was it the 12 hour? Yeah, 12. Between these two moving averages, I think this is the buy zone in here. Between these two MAs. For Dot. Link as well had a really nice move. I was saying, guys, buy this level here. We got it. We're an ascending pattern. I said if it does break, so the more times you test it, the more it's likely to break it. I said don't worry, buy this level, bang, killer. I was trading on Femex. Check out Femex, guys. I have a link to it as well. If you go on, let me show you a video. Type in altcoin trading MDX. Altcoin trading MDX. Check out this video here. It's called Altcoin Trading, Top Exchanges to Trade Alts on Leverage. Basically just talk about Femex, and I show you how to. I tell you about Femex. And if you wanna, what's the other? I think there's another video I did. Check out that video though. Altcoin trading. Let's have a look. I'm probably gonna have to go to bed right now. How you doing, Daria? Say hello. Say hello, babe. I miss you. Wow. All right, let's have a look. What's going on with the old stream? So how many people are in here? Uh-oh. Hopefully it's alright. That was just a white screen for ages. I think the stream might have died. Is it okay? We're still here? Whoops. Is it alright? I think it's alright. We've got a random white screen. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Awesome stream. You're all legends. Yeah, come and subscribe to the channel. Join MDX Trading. Check out my website. Check out altcoin trading as well. This exchange Femex is absolutely amazing. It's a great exchange for trading altcoins. And then if you type in MDX leverage, I think you get like one of my videos about leverage trading. So this is the best exchange. Yeah, this is the best exchange to trade altcoin, Bitcoin and altcoins. So check out this video here, these two videos, altcoin trading and best exchange to trade altcoins. I've got a few videos about it, but these are all my favorite fucking exchanges and stuff. But these are the ones I use. Yo, please donate me some crypto, bro. Yeah, man. Join MDX Trading. We'll think about it. I'll give you some Dash.